Hi, my name is Andy Elgrim, and I've created this Blender add-on that helps you making the 52 shape keys for face tracking without using Armature or any face rig. Because sometimes it's a little bit faster to just do it by hand, in my opinion. Let me show you. First, installation. You go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. On this little arrow, Install from disk, select the zip file, install from disk, and make sure to enable it. And now you can find it here. Select the face and just press ARKit 52 shape keys. And it will create all the shape keys correctly named in a specific order. You can add more shape keys if you want. Keep in mind you can add or remove ARKit shape keys without affecting already existing shape keys. Let me show you. Here I have a new shape key, custom shape key from me, and I can delete the ARKit list and add it again without touching it. Nice. Before starting on your shape keys, ARKit toolset will warn you if your setup is correct or not. Here we can see I've got a mirror modifier, so I can go here. For my case, I need to delete it. And here we can see it asks me to disable the mesh symmetry, which is this option in the edit mode. Good. We can go back to the shape keys. One last thing to do is to check if the face is correctly mirrored. These checks are here. You can check the left side or the right side. We will check the left side. And here we can see we have one non-mirrored vertex on the mesh. If the warning tells you 0 non-mirrored vertices found, then congrats, your face is perfectly mirrored. If you have a lot of non-mirrored vertices selected, that probably means your origin is not set correctly. Make sure it's perfectly centered to your face. In my case, it's only one vertex, so we will fix it by hand. First, I will isolate the view, and I will go to the Item tab and Transform. And then I will select the opposite vertex, and we will just copy-paste the value. Because it's on the x-axis, this one needs to be minus, but the other ones are the same. So I will take the y, just copy-paste, take the z, copy-paste. And now it should be good. Let me test again on the ARKit toolset. Check left non-mirrored, and boom, 0. Now we can work safely on the shape keys. For the demonstration, I will start on the eye lookup left, the left side of the face. Okay. I will select only the eye and move up. I will just select these few vertices, activate the proportional editing, and move up a bit this one. Like this. Cool. Okay, now I can test this one. Okay, now we can just, because we are right now on the left, if I click on Mirror Auto, it will mirror on the right automatically. And now we can go to the right and see it works perfectly. And now the hardest part is to make all the shape keys. So good luck with that. For me, I will just go with a time lapse. Okay, quick pause. It's perfect timing for looking at the apply from mix. Here you can see you've got a little information box. The dimple is like half a smile. So instead of redoing the same thing, we can just select the smile. So the left one, put it at 0.5 value, go back to the dimple and just press apply from mix. So now this one is exactly half of a smile. And we can just press mirror to get the right side. Easy. Okay. I just want to take the time to explain, because this one is probably the hardest to understand. You have a specific setup to respect. So, like the information tells you, mouth close is on top of jaw open. You've got a little tutorial here. So, we'll just set up jaw open to 1. Enable shape key edit mode below the shape key list. This is this button. Enable it. Then only edit the mouth in closed state. Here, I'm already done it, but yeah. So you have to edit while you are in jaw open state. Once it's done, don't forget to disable this one and go back to 0. About the reset button, it's pretty straightforward. Imagine you get something wrong, just press reset and it goes back to basis. You also got these little tools that helps you managing the shape keys. The first one is 0 all shape keys. So I can just press and everything is back to 0. Disable and enable all of them. Lock all of them, unlock all of them. And I can move the shape keys around on the top and bottom list. Once you get all the shape keys, first, congrats. Then you can test them with 2 features. First one is the test all. It will load a pre-made animation. Let's see. It's roughly 20 seconds. With this, you can test all Arcade shape keys without any setup. Very handy, I think. Then you got the test eyes button. This one, you need to put the 3D cursor between the eyes of the character. Press the eyes one, and you can drag around the 3D cursor, and the character will move the eyes accordingly. It's pretty cool. Great, now you know everything about Arcade toolset. I hope this tool will be useful for you, and thanks for watching.